All right, a few of my subscribers have asked me to give them an update on my crypto.com. If you guys been subscribed to my channel, you'll know that I purchased or I staked $40,000 in crypto.com about a year and a half ago. And the thing was going up and up. It went down and up. And about a month ago, I looked at it and it was only $5,000. So let me check it out today and I'll show you guys what I have. So let's go to my crypto.com. I click on it. I'm gonna refresh this. Wow, it went up a little bit. About a month ago, it was 5,000. So maybe this week it's been increasing. So it's 12,000. But I did stake 40,000 about a year and a half ago. And like I said, a matter of fact, that 40,000 that I staked had went up to $108,000 at its peak. And I've seen it go as low as right at 4,000. So it is going back up. I'm still way behind from that $40,000 that I staked. I'm gonna click here and go to my account and I'm gonna hit the CRO. And as you can see, I can unstake this if I want to, where it says unstake. If I unstake it right now, I can get $11,973. And I'm gonna just let it ride because I'm working right now. I'm in the oil and gas field. I may look at it next month and show you guys again what it looks like. But I also have, let me go back, the credit card, and I don't put nothing on it. And what it is, when you stake $40,000, you get that credit card and you get Netflix, you get Spotify, you get Amazon. So they pay for that. What they do, they deduct it from your account and then they credit you back. So you get your CROs back. So that's a little benefit, but it cost me a lot of money to get those free Spotify and Prime, Amazon Prime and Netflix. And I also get like, I think 8%. Let's look at the CRO. It may show. You see right there where I get a credit. Every Monday I get 173 CROs. I think that's because I get right here where it says I'm enjoying the 8%. When I first signed up for it, I was getting 12%. Then they changed it to 8%. So it's going, as you can see, all these are credits, which you see in green. Like the Spotify, I pay for Spotify, then they reimburse me back for the Spotify. So I like the app. It's easy to use. If I go back to my home and you can refresh it, and this is 24/7. You see it changes. Maybe tomorrow I wake up, I may have $20,000 or I may have 5,000. But anyway, this is an update on what my CRO, my crypto.com account is doing. So I'm gonna log off and I'll check it a month later. Maybe I have a little bit more money or a little less. But right now, like I said, I'm working in the oil and gas field. Luckily, I don't need this money right now, so I'm gonna just let it ride. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and check back in next month and let's see what it have changed from. So I hope it'd be $108,000. Have a great day.